Unlock the magic of milk cartons, transform trash into treasure. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be unlocking the magic of milk cartons to transform trash into treasure. Ready to turn your trash into treasure? Let's dive into the wonderful world of milk carton crafts. Tell me, what sparks your curiosity about these humble containers? Are you eager to discover amazing home projects, learn the secrets to prepping them for crafting, or understand the eco-friendly benefits? Let's explore together. Milk cartons are more than just containers. They're blank canvases waiting for your creative touch. From whimsical planters to sturdy organizers, the possibilities are endless. Let's explore some fantastic projects that will inspire your inner DIY enthusiast. Imagine transforming a simple milk carton into a charming bird feeder. With a few cuts, some paint, and a little bird seed, you can create a haven for feathered friends right in your backyard. It's a fun and educational project for kids, teaching them about nature and recycling. Or how about crafting a set of adorable storage boxes for your desk or craft room? Decorate them with colorful paper, fabric scraps, or even paint them with chalkboard paint for easy labeling. These little boxes are perfect for organizing pens, pencils, and other small items. Before you unleash your creativity, it's essential to prepare your milk cartons properly. Don't worry, it's a simple process that anyone can master. Let's learn the secrets to prepping your cartons for crafting success. First, rinse the milk carton thoroughly with warm, soapy water. Make sure to remove any lingering milk residue to prevent unpleasant odors or mold growth. A clean carton is a happy carton. Next, carefully cut off the top of the carton using scissors or a craft knife. Be sure to supervise children when using sharp tools. Once the top is removed, you can easily access the inside of the carton for cleaning and decorating. Finally, allow the carton to dry completely before you start crafting. You can speed up the drying process by placing it in a well-ventilated area or using a clean towel to wipe it dry. A dry carton is ready for its transformation. Using milk cartons in your home projects is not only fun and creative, but it's also a fantastic way to reduce waste and help the environment. Let's explore the amazing benefits of eco-conscious crafting. By repurposing milk cartons, you're diverting them from landfills and giving them a new lease on life. This helps to conserve natural resources and reduce pollution. Every little bit counts. Milk cartons are made from recyclable materials, making them an eco-friendly alternative to plastic containers. When you're finished with your milk carton crafts, you can recycle them again, creating a closed-loop system. It's a win-win for you and the planet. Teaching children about recycling and repurposing is a valuable lesson that will stay with them for life. Milk carton crafts provide a fun and engaging way to introduce them to the importance of environmental stewardship. Let's inspire the next generation of eco-conscious crafters. Transform your home with unique and charming decor made from humble milk cartons. Let's explore some inspiring ideas that will add a touch of whimsy and sustainability to your living space. Create a stunning vertical garden by attaching several milk cartons to a wall or fence. Fill them with colorful flowers, herbs, or succulents for a vibrant and eye-catching display. It's a perfect way to bring nature indoors or add a touch of greenery to your outdoor space. Design a set of personalized lampshades by covering milk cartons with fabric, paper, or paint. Add embellishments like beads, buttons, or lace for a unique and stylish look. These lampshades will add a warm and inviting glow to any room. Craft a charming set of storage baskets for your bathroom or laundry room. Decorate them with nautical rope, seashells, or other beach-themed elements for a coastal-inspired vibe. These baskets are perfect for organizing towels, toiletries, and other essentials. Milk cartons can be more than just craft supplies. They can also be valuable educational tools. Let's explore some fun and engaging ways to incorporate milk cartons into your learning activities. Use milk cartons to teach children about shapes and sizes. Cut them into different shapes, such as squares, rectangles, and triangles, and have children sort and classify them. It's a hands-on way to learn about geometry and spatial reasoning. Create a miniature city using milk cartons as building blocks. Have children design and decorate their own buildings, adding windows, doors, and roofs. It's a fun and creative way to learn about architecture and urban planning. Build a simple machine using milk cartons, straws, and rubber bands. Have children experiment with different designs and learn about the principles of physics and engineering. It's a hands-on way to explore STEM concepts. Let's dive into some specific craft projects that you can create using milk cartons. These step-by-step instructions will guide you through the process, making it easy to unleash your creativity. Milk carton bird feeder. Clean and dry a milk carton. Cut out 2 large openings on opposite sides of the carton. Punch a hole near the top of the carton and thread a string or wire through it for hanging. Decorate the carton with paint, markers, or paper. Fill the carton with bird seed and hang it in your backyard. Milk carton storage boxes. Clean and dry several milk cartons. Cut off the tops of the cartons to create open boxes. Cover the cartons with decorative paper, fabric, or paint. Add labels or embellishments to personalize the boxes. Use the boxes to organize your desk, craft room, or any other space. Milk carton vertical garden. Clean and dry several milk cartons. Cut off the tops of the cartons and punch drainage holes in the bottom. Decorate the cartons with paint, markers, or paper. Attach the cartons to a wall or fence using nails, screws, or adhesive. Fill the cartons with soil and plant flowers, herbs, or succulents. Ready to transform your home and help the planet, one milk carton at a time? It's time to unleash your inner DIY enthusiast and join the milk carton revolution. Start collecting those empty cartons and let your imagination run wild. Share your creations with us on social media using #MilkCartonMagic and inspire others to join the fun. Let's create a more sustainable and beautiful world together.